Okay, so we're out here in the desert. It's the morning. I already recorded one video. Things are going to be out of order. But, so this is day 3 of 7 days of solar. And I did want to say one thing that I've forgotten to say in the first 2 videos. I am no solar expert for RVs. I am an expert on the solar system that I have in my Airstream. But when you're planning your own solar setup for your RV, you're going to be taking into account appliances and devices that I may or may not have. So we built a smaller system in our Airstream that covers our needs. And there is another part of our and we in these videos. But right now I'm out here by myself, and secondly, the part of our and we doesn't always like to be on camera, so there you go. But I did want to let you know, so when you're watching these videos, understand I'm talking specifically about my solar system, what's working for me. So when you're planning your system, you need to sit down and say, I've got an iPhone, I've got a MacBook Pro, I've got a GoPro gimbal, whatever it might be. I want to power my microwave, I want to power my air conditioner. And when you're factoring all that together, there are a lot of websites out there to help you count amps, count watts. You know, they throw everything out there at you. And I know a lot of people are not licensed electricians, and you don't know, what is the difference between AC and DC. You're going to need to do some research. And just because you find something super cheap on Amazon doesn't mean it's going to meet your needs. You really need to do some research. You really need to educate yourself on what it is you're trying to achieve. And so in the end, my system it cost thousands of dollars. However, I'm coming up on 2 years of having it, and it's working fantastically. When I'm plugged in at parks, I still use the solar for all of the DC in here. And not only do I use the solar for all of the DC in here, it saves me money. So I know what I spent per month at different parks over the years. And the solar is absolutely offsetting those expenses. So second thing, I have a converter. I've got a 3-stage converter. That takes my shore power. So if I'm plugged in, at a park, the converter takes the shore power and converts the AC power coming into DC that could be used by my battery plant. The thing is, I've got a switch on it, and I can actually turn off the AC to DC charging to my batteries, which I have done. I can't remember the last time that I've actually flipped the breaker to start converting the shore power from a park to my battery plant. I haven't needed to. So because of my solar system, even during the winter, I charge enough every day to keep those batteries, popped back up to 100%. So this system is working great for me. The system that you design for your RV is probably going to be different than mine. But hopefully this 7 days of solar series is going to give you some ideas about what you can and can't do. So once again, with my system, 600 watts on the roof. I've got a blue sky charge controller. I've got Lifeline AGM batteries. And so that's a 300 amp power plant. But because they're not lithium and they're AGMs, I can only use 50%. So that means I have 150 amp hours available to me. And the big part is overnight, because during the day, I'm charging. Alright, with that, let's watch the rest of the video, and we'll look around at where I am, because really enjoying Borrego. It's gorgeous outside. And the reason I'm recording inside again today, the winds. They're already crazy. So I'm sad to say I don't think I'm going to be flying the drone while I'm here at all, and I was really excited to get some awesome drone footage out here. But the winds just get really stupid out here.